In this series, we will show you how Pro Armor designs, engineers, and manufactures some of our most sought-after products. Pro Armor is committed to developing only the very best components and making them with the utmost quality. This has kept us at the forefront of the industry. With our facility that is over 60,000 square feet, containing in-house research and development, soft goods production, powder coating, CNC bending, metal stamping, welding, packaging, and shipping departments. Here is a behind-the-scenes look at how our Razor doors, Sniper suspension seats, and Asylum roll cage are all engineered and produced. Pro Armor's Sniper suspension seat was designed to give a driver or passenger the most comfort and performance as possible. It has several advanced features such as the easy pass-through belt slots for easy install or removal of your harness, multi-density foams for less driver fatigue, and a powder-coated frame for anti-corrosion with a nice finish. The Asylum roll cage not only adds strength to your Razor and more protection for the riders, it also adds complementary aesthetics to an already aggressive-looking UTV. The cage adds rigidity to the UTV's frame by not only tying together the stock cage mounting points, but also the rear bumper with the frame. The Asylum roll cage is the only aftermarket cage available that has been tested and passed the ANSI-RHOVA requirements to be certified. Our Razor doors are all aluminum construction to save weight and to ensure strength and durability for any type of riding or racing. Direct bolt onto your Razor with no drilling. They have a 3-point mounting system, making them the strongest and best design on the market. The Razor doors are available with sheet metal skins or nets and are fully interchangeable, while entry and exit is a breeze with our new generation slam latch. The first step to any of our products being produced is our team of R&D engineers develop and test them. When the necessary fit, quality, and strength tests have been done, the product is then mocked up in 3D to ensure each part is the same during production. Every product goes through this process, including our C-frames, Razor doors, and Asylum roll cages. With the design sent out to production, the tubing for the seats, doors, and cage are cut to the necessary lengths and then CNC bent into each piece that'll be later welded together. Enough tubing is cut and bent for over 100 doors and seats at a time. The doors are made of 120 wall, 1.25" aluminum tubing, while the cage is 095 wall, 1 3/4 steel tubing, and the seat frames are 065 wall, 3/4 steel tubing. Next, the bent pieces are placed into a jig where one of our skilled welders TIG weld the door pieces together. The Asylum roll cage jig is actually a Razor XP900 bare frame with our jig points attached, making sure every fit is perfect for every Razor. The Asylum cage is also TIG welded while the C-frames are MIG welded. While everything is being assembled, the Razor door panels are being stamped out of aluminum sheets. The stamp machines are over 30 feet wide, using 30 tons of force to cut out each panel. From here, the doors, cage, and frames are all taken to powder coat, where they are placed upon a rack and painted. The rack is electrically charged, causing the powder paint to attach itself to aluminum or steel. Once each piece is covered, the rack is then moved to an oven next door where it is baked for a half hour or more, making the paint permanent. You will notice that the paint goes on flat in color, but after being cooked, it has a semi-gloss shine. From here, the doors and cage are finished and sent to packaging, while the seats are only halfway through their process. Now it's time to add all the comfort that comes from one of our seats. First, a K-Tex ballistic vinyl liner is suspended by high-strength military-grade parachute cord, creating a base for the seat. After the liner is stretched and the cord is tight, multiple density foams are then cut and glued into position, creating the seat padding. While this is being done, the seat cover is being cut and stitched together using marine grade vinyls in one of our many color configurations or a custom configuration you can choose yourself. After both are complete, the two come together by stretching the cover over the top of the frame and securing it with more parachute cord and hog rings on the bottom of the seat. With the seats, cage, and doors all finished, they are then sent to packaging, where they are lined, padded, and packaged with the necessary instructions and hardware for the customer to install in their UTV. TV in the dash, pimping hoes, getting money. Now you've seen how Pro Armor brings you safety, style, and dependability. That way you can transform your UTV or ATV. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the products just shown, head over to proarmor.com.